Hello everyone, welcome to Bullet Journaling with Eve. As you can see from the title, we are going to doodle today, and I am so excited to start. So let's go straight to the materials. You will need a bullet journal or any paper. I am using this bullet journal by Notebook Therapy. This is the Constellation edition, which I use for sketching things before drawing them in my main bullet journal. I will also use this brown Ohuhu acrylic marker, and I will combine it with this purple dual marker that I found on Amazon. I will also need a pencil, an eraser, and a ruler with circles to draw my moons. Before I prepare my page, I just want to let you know that if you want to learn any different doodles, just leave me a comment down below so I can prepare that for you. I will just start by writing down the title. Today, we will draw celestial doodles, which are related to all of my 2025 bullet journal themes. I will start by drawing a circle with a stencil and adding a crack in the middle of it. This is going to be a moon. I will completely fill in the right part of my moon with this purple marker and then add some details. With the brown acrylic marker, I will fill in the left part of this moon completely. But before I do that, I will add craters with the purple marker because I'm able to draw over the purple marker with my Ohuhu acrylic marker, but I'm not able to draw over my brown marker with the purple one. Then I will add details like lines and some dots on the purple part of the moon. And the first doodle is done. I will just add some details and that's all. For the second one, I will draw another circle, as you can see here, but this time we are going to draw a half moon face. We will fill in the part that will be night sky completely with purple, and then we will add details to our moon. I will add an eyebrow, then a nose with this purple marker, and also a smile or mouth. Then I will take my brown acrylic marker and add some details, some stars to that night sky part. If you draw 4 lines facing each other, you will create a sparkly star. Then, by just adding dots, you will have smaller stars as well. Next, I am going to fill in the following circle completely with purple. And using the Ohuhu acrylic marker in brown, I'm going to draw a plant, just a simple sketch. You can sketch really anything and then add the night sky with stars and it will work as a celestial doodle. I chose to draw a plant here and it looks like a celestial doodle. Next, we will draw a comet that is falling down in 2 parts. The first part is the comet itself, and around it, it's the wave of heat. I will add details with lines using the purple marker and then add some small lines with the brown marker for extra details. Then I'm going to draw a flask. Since I'm a chemistry teacher, there has to be a flask somewhere. I will add a rubber stopper and then I will put a universe inside it. I will draw a small portion that will be purple and then add details like stars inside my flask. For the next one, you will draw 2 triangles on top of each other and some lines. And you have a diamond. If you add a sparkly star beside the diamond, it adds a sparkle effect. Just like with the flask, we can do the same with an hourglass. I will fill it in with purple and then add some details with the brown marker. Instead of sand, you can draw stars falling down, measuring time. Next, we will draw a half moon that is upside down. I will quickly fill it in completely, and after that I will add some decorations. As you will see, I will add a small heart on top of this moon and a small dot under it, from which I will draw plants. Just a simple plants around the moon. This doodle is also done. The next one I will draw is another moon, but this time we will add some symbols around it. A circle, an arrow, and a triangle. Then I will add these lines that show that the moon is shining. Of course, you can add different variations of this. Now, I will draw a dream catcher with 3 parts hanging down. 2 of them are stars and the one in the middle is a moon. Then, with a fine liner, I will add a net connecting them. You can also draw different planets. Here, as you can see, I just draw a small circle with a ring around it to create an orbit, and it's done. To fill in the page, you can add some doodles of stars, bigger stars like the ones I'm drawing now, or the sparkly stars that I already explained how to draw, or just lines facing each other. You can also add smaller stars to completely fill the space on your page. And that's it. We are done with all the doodles I came up with for this video. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. If you want to see different doodles, please leave me a comment below so I know what you are looking for. I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!